Our world is a tapestry of extraordinary habitats. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life has found a way to thrive, creating intricate systems of survival and community. Yet perhaps the most complex and rapidly changing habitats of all are the ones we build for ourselves. These are our human settlements, our villages, towns, and sprawling cities. For centuries we have constructed these places, but only recently have we begun to truly study them as a unified, living system. This remarkable field of study is called Ekistics, the science of human settlements. It invites us to see our cities not merely as collections of buildings, but as dynamic organisms, constantly growing and evolving in response to our needs. The mind behind this profound idea was a Greek architect and planner named Konstantinos A. Doxiadis. Working in the mid-20th century, he witnessed firsthand the chaos that often accompanied development. He saw cities expanding without clear plans, creating problems that affected millions. Doxiadis believed we needed a more holistic approach, a science that could diagnose the ailments of our settlements and prescribe solutions. At the heart of Doxiadis's vision lies the anthropocosmos model. This reminds us that we do not exist in isolation. We are connected to a wider world, a cosmos that includes 5 fundamental elements: nature, anthropos, society, shells, networks. A healthy settlement is one where all these elements exist in delicate balance. It is a place where nature is respected, human well-being is prioritized, and our communities can flourish. This encourages us to see our cities with new eyes, not just concrete and steel but a living ecosystem where every part influences every other. To study something as vast as a human settlement, one needs a map, a tool to organize the immense complexity. Doxiadis provided just that with his ingenious creation, the Ekistics matrix. This matrix is essentially a grid, designed to help us see the whole picture of any settlement, from the smallest scale to the largest. It transforms overwhelming urban planning into a manageable, systematic process. On one axis we find the Ekistics units of scale: anthropos, room, house, neighborhood, small town, large city, sprawling metropolis, ecumenopolis. Every decision has impact across these different levels of human experience. When elements are crossed with units of scale, the matrix comes to life. We can ask specific questions. How does nature function at the scale of a house? How does society function at the scale of a city? The matrix provides comprehensive analysis, preventing fragmented planning that leads to dysfunctional environments. Doxiadis championed interdisciplinary synthesis. Instead of specialists working in isolation, he envisioned experts from many fields coming together to create solutions richer than any could devise alone. This collaborative spirit is the essence of synthesis in Ekistics. Another crucial synthesis is between structure and form. Structure refers to invisible systems, transportation corridors, power grids, land use patterns. These are the city's bones. Form is what we experience daily: buildings, streets, parks, squares. It is the city's visible skin. A successful city is one where form beautifully expresses underlying structure. When this connection is honored, life becomes easier and pleasant. When ignored, the result is discord and dysfunction. This synthesis is the secret to cities that are functional, beautiful, and comfortable. Today the principles of Ekistics are more relevant than ever. We live on an increasingly urban planet. Billions now make their homes in cities, and these great human hives face unprecedented challenges. The pressures of a changing climate, the need for sustainable resources, the quest for social equity. The ideas pioneered by Doxiadis over half a century ago provide us with a clear roadmap for navigating this complex reality. Climate change forces us to reconsider our relationship with nature. Ekistics emphasizes nature at every scale, encouraging green spaces woven into urban fabric as vital infrastructure, not decorative afterthoughts. As cities grow larger and more diverse, focusing on the human scale becomes critically important. In the rush to build bigger and faster, we must remember the city's purpose: human happiness and well-being. These questions create just, inclusive, and joyful cities. Ekistics is profoundly optimistic. We have the power to shape our environment for the better. By applying reason, creativity, and empathy, we can build settlements that nurture people and planet. The challenges ahead are immense, but the vision of Ekistics offers hope. It is a call to action for planners, leaders, and citizens to work together to create the habitats of tomorrow, worthy homes for humanity.